you have a full-time job right now and you have a YouTube channel, and probably, I mean, with that many subscribers and that many views, you get a lot of comments as well. And I can see when you talk a lot about languages, people who are from those cultures would normally want to engage with you. How do you manage your time, keeping a full-time job, having a family, having a big YouTube channel, responding back to people, thinking about new videos, and probably another couple of hobbies that we don't even know about, which we'd like to get into in the later part of this podcast. But how do you manage your time?
Honestly, it's not easy. Sometimes I'm like, okay, you know what, I can use a break, right? But
Yeah.
um, I think the most important, or what's helped both of us a lot, is having the support of our parents, my in-laws and my wife. So if we want to record a video, like we used to do it inside our condo because we live downtown. We moved here not that long ago, right? To into the suburbs. But at that time, a lot of times it was just having support from others, support from our parents, to be able to take care of our daughter, to once we're doing this, or having help, having support from them in general, that really helped. But it's, I guess, just time management, right? Like, I just prioritize what's important, and I used to do this. I used to upload a video once a week, and then I changed it to once every 2 weeks because I thought that was a lot, that was feasible, right?
Right.
So yeah, like I had to change my schedule as well, for as if I wasn't working full time, and we didn't have a daughter, or like at that time things were different, right? Like when you don't have kids, or you're not working full time, then you have a lot more free time, right?
Right. And I think it's also surprising, most of the growth of your channel probably came around the time, I guess, after you were planning to have a kid, and then you had your daughter. So a lot of that has been around you raising a kid as well. So congratulations on that, man.
Thank you. You know what, that actually did help because once our daughter was born, I took 9 months off work. I went on parental leave, and that 9-month period really gave me a lot more time to be able to work. As much as we have, you got the baby duties and all of that going on, but because we had so much support from my wife's parents and my parents, it still gave us a good amount of free time to be able to at least spend a couple hours here and there, do some research, and then when we set up to do the videos, it only takes maybe 15-20 minutes to record the actual video, sometimes half an hour, right?